Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to do this kind of model button in Tkinter Python. So to start doing this project, I have already done these buttons with Adobe Illustrator here. Just give me a second, guys. Let me show what it is. Yeah, this is the file of the Adobe Explorer X in which I did all of them. Yeah, check it out, guys. These are the buttons that we're gonna be using. This one is the switch on button, and this one is switch off button. You're gonna use them in Tkinter. Stay. So let's just open it to the code inside there. Let us create a new folder. Let us call it whatever you want, main.py. Then here, you're gonna need to firstly import the module Tkinter. Since I'm gonna import everything from Tkinter, I'm gonna need to import from Tkinter import star or asterisk, which means import everything from that module. Then you gotta start calling the root. You can call it whatever you want, guys, but uh, the TK should be T capital and K minuscule. Then going a little bit down, you gotta put a geometry for our root, which will be the window you're gonna be using here. For me, I'll put it 840 by 480. Then I don't know if you realize, guys, but the buttons I already created with the Illustrator are here. You need to put them in the same folder which you're gonna be using the Python file. Yeah, then we gotta declare our buttons. I'll say onPick, which will be button onPick, photo image, file equals to on dot png, which the on.png, the name of the file which they will declare the power on or off, whatever you want. Then offPick equals file equals of dot png. Then here we're just declaring the image of the buttons we're just gonna be using after creating the button. Here we create the real button, which will be, let us call it power button, oh, button, whatever it is, equals. This is the Tkinter button function, which we're gonna call in here. Then image, we don't need text since we're just gonna be using the image of the on PNG here. Image equals, let us say on pick, then command equals, let us call it by func. We need to create a function which will be used here in order to realize what we want. Then here define func. Inside the func we put button dot config image equals. Now here, after we press the button, it's gonna change automatically to the second button, which will be the off.png button, which will be this one. It will change from this button to this button after clicking on it, which here we change it config button.config image equals on pick. No, it gotta be image equals off pick and command equals another func. Now let us just create quickly a new function here, define fun, which will be button dot config again, which will be happening every time you click on it. That config image equals unpick command equals image equals unpick. Yeah, command equals there's a mistake here, having two parentheses, sorry guys. Then command equals func. You gotta call the main function again. Then here let us just quickly pack it into the screen, button.pack, and put a pet y of 20, just put it down a little bit. Yeah, let us run it. I had the other one open here. Let us run it again. Couldn't open on.png, which will be this one. On, oh, I missed the comma. Gotta be on.png. Yeah, let us run it now. Main loop. I forgot about it. The main loop is like to make the app keep running it continuously. And here, command, there is some other mistake here. Let us just quickly remove the BD of the button equals 0 and relief equals flat, just to make it look great a little bit. Yeah, there it is guys. When you click on it, it's automatically changed to on off, whatever it is. You can put whatever. Instead of just changing it, you can put like play music after clicking on the button, or do whatever thing else you want with this. Yeah, that's all for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.